lucky. I haven't decided if it's fortunate or unfortunate that I didn't come across snakes. I found a side-blotched lizard. Right there. Right there, Mom. How small is it?
It's right there.
That's a really small one. I like the seeds of the creosote bush because they're fluffy. I found what I hope is a bat cave. I see a hole. You see it? It was neat to come across a gully caused by heavy rain from a recent monsoon. In the gully, I found an adrite. It's red, blue, and white, and it's a cool rock. I'm happy I found it. When I finally made it to the Cowell River, I found damselflies and a family of ducks. The babies were super cute. But the best part was jumping in the Cowell River and floating down the current.